Hello friends, my name is Palash. Today I will talk regarding making a video presentation. This is a request presentations. I got couple of requests where people talking about they need some tips and tricks for making video presentations. That's how I came with this um, training sessions. Just follow the step what I am discussing here. Probably will able to make the similar videos, similar blogs the way I am making. Um, and presenting on the YouTube. Thank you. So these three are the important steps you need to make sure making presentations, recording presentations. I will show you the video how to record the presentation, and I will show you how to make the edit in the video editor app. This app is available in your system. So let's see the recording of presentations. So now we'll start recording this slide. I will go to the Insert tab, just stop, you can see my cursor. I will go to the screen recording button, you can see here. It will come like this crop section and this toolbar. Then I need to select my presentations and I need to go to the presentation screen, slideshow screen, which is here. Then I will right click, show presenter view, and I will select the area. So you can select the area tab and then you can just select the area you just want to record. Now you have notes here what you can refer when you want to speak regarding some specific topic and uh, this tab, now it is on. If you off this tab, it will stop recording your audio. It will only capture the video, right? You need to start the recording button. It will count like 1, 2, 3 and it will start the recording. You can scroll, you can discuss whatever the way you just want to move to your presentations. Then close your presentations, go to the stop button. Once you will stop, the file will be saved to the page where from you have started the presentation. So I started discussing with you regarding recording in the page number 2, and you can see the file is in page number 2. So you can click here, right click, save media as, and you need to save this file. Otherwise, you will lose the file. So by default, it will came as media 1, but you wish you can make different as well, making video, right? Save. Now this file is saved. You don't require this video anymore. You can delete it. Otherwise, it will make more space. And you can close everything. So let's see how to make final edit with video editor app. Now I will go to the application where I just want to edit my presentation. This is video editor app. It is coming because I use occasionally, otherwise you can search it. Now you need to select a project and you can rename your project based on the name you have selected. Now your project name is appearing here. Then you need to add the video like this. Then you need to drag the video in the storyboard. Now a couple of options are available here which will allow to trim, to split, adding text, adding any kind of title card and everything. So once you've done your editing, suppose you have split the file. So suppose you have done couple of editing now, you want the final version need to be published. So whatever the manipulation you have done here, you can add music, editing and all those things. You need to click the finish video. It will, the software will help you to make the final presentations. So I will give the different name, new export. Uh, so once you have done, then automatically the video will appear after final editing. You can close it because you already save into the desktop. Now this is the file, making presentation new. Just enjoy your video. Thank you friends for your patience. Hopefully you like this video and it is helpful for you. So I request, if it is really helpful for you, please put your comment end of this video and subscribe my channel and share to your friends and colleagues as well. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy, prosperous, healthy new year to you and your family.